Hi, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World, and I invite you to check out my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and drink recipes from around the world. Now, today's video is a part of my bartending/drink recipe series where I'm walking you through 11 categories of drinks from the bartending universe and beyond. Today's category is highballs, and the drink we're going to be making today is a classic and one of my personal favorites, the Citron and Tonic, okay? As always, we're going to be making this drink in a highball glass. We're going to be using Absolut Citron, tonic water to fill, and we're going to garnish with a lime, okay? Quick little fun fact about this drink. Tonic, which is used in this drink, does have quinine. And quinine, which the synthetic form of quinine is called chloroquine. And this ingredient is a key ingredient used to combat diseases like malaria, right? So if you come from any tropical country, I was raised in both Nigeria and Ghana for part of my childhood, or if you've lived in any South Asian country or anywhere where malaria is prevalent, you should know that chloroquine is used to help fight against malaria, right? Also in my gin and tonic video, if you remember, I also said that from a historical perspective, British officers from the British East India Company also used quinine. In fact, that's how gin and tonic came about, part of the history, to help them combat against malaria. And that was part of the reason, a big factor as to why those officers, the British, were able to stay in India for so long during the colonial era. So just a little fun fact about quinine that is found in tonic water. And also just a quick tip. If you have adverse effects, reactions to quinine, I'll strongly advise you to watch your intake of tonic water because if you have negative reactions to quinine, it can affect your health in a negative way. So just keep that in mind from a health perspective as well before you consume any drink with tonic water, okay? So that disclaimer is out of the way. Again, like I said, we're making a Citron and Tonic today for this video. We're going to be using Absolut Citron, tonic water. We're going to garnish with a lime, and with all highball drinks, we're going to finish with a straw, okay? So let's make this drink quickly. So to start off, we're going to be making this drink using a shaker, as I do for all my drinks. I'm going to put some ice in my shaker to start so the mixer comes out chilled. Put this to the side. I'm going to fill my highball glass with ice. Anytime you make drinks in a highball fashion, you always have to top it off with ice. That's good enough. We're going to get our citron. It's always 1 ounce of citron, right? Or to your liking. Okay. We're going to make our drink in our shaker. So that's 1 ounce. We're going to top off with our tonic water. And for just a drink that has just one ingredient, you don't necessarily have to use a shaker. If it's just one side ingredient, you can just get a mixer and make it directly in the glass. I like to have that good mix, so I'm going to use my shaker for most of my drinks. Okay. You can pour directly. I already have ice in the glass, so I'm just going to pour from the shaker. Nice and beautiful. Nice, nice, beautiful. I like that. Again, this is one of my favorite drinks. I have this drink all the time when I go out anywhere. We're going to garnish it with a nice lime. And to top it off, we're going to finish with a straw. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our Citron and Tonic. Again, nice drink. Lots of citrus flavor. I love the bitter aftertaste it leaves in my mouth whenever I have this drink. I have this drink personally all the time whenever I go anywhere, restaurant, hotel. This is my go-to drink. And I encourage you to try it out at home and enjoy this recipe. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope that you can subscribe to my channel and follow all my other drink videos. Again, I'm Ben. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World, and I hope you enjoy this drink, and I'll see you for the next video. Take care and cheers.